On 3, 2, right, 3, 2, 1, and film it live at Deichmann here at Derby all day long. We've been pressing numbers, trying to find the code. We tried the obvious 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It didn't happen, except error. Now we have an envelope sealed, which my very good friend, the store manager, will now cut the top off. Watch your fingers. You hold the bread cutting it. Can you start shaking the bag up, you know, like a lottery machine on the TV? Okay. So that's it. And now we're taking a piece of paper out. Look, taking a piece of paper out. Now will you please open that piece of paper for me? And then, thank you, you have that. Come over here and you just shout the numbers out for me. 8. 5. 3. 7. 4. 1. And for the first time today, it says turn, the door opens, and in there, please chop the top off that one. And just to clarify it, then to show you that, look, there is the number 853741. And the envelope in there has also been cut open, and we'll once again, please, that's it, have the scissors. And if you can open that up, and let's just see the number. Also inside, quite coincidentally, was the same number, 853741. Pan on the crowd, please. If you'd have had that number, I'd have now been counting out 9,998, 9,999, £10,000. So that has gone. That competition is kind of finished. Right, big one. Everyone that had a go, we said put a phone number on. Providing there's a phone number, we will call them and tell them that they've won. Are you happy with that shake, or would you try to give it a shake? Okay. Please, would you close your eyes and just put your hand, okay, close your eyes, put your hand anywhere in there, shake them all around, that's it. Let's see which one. If there's no phone number, we can't call you. £100 worth of store vouchers goes to Rosie F, and there is a phone number. So they are the winner of the £100. Have you got the phone number? Okay, we'll go call them now. Thank you very much for coming to the new store. It'll be, that's the £100 of the vouchers. Thank you for your honesty. Have 50% off. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you all soon.
Good. Good job, yeah.